Today, in a press conference, Rahul Gandhi has disclosed some astounding facts on the nature of manipulation that took place in Karnataka with respect to only one constituency. What do they tell you? It only tells you that there is a massive electoral fraud that is taking place in this country. In Maharashtra, it was addition of votes. In Karnataka and Delhi, that we know, it is manipulation of votes. And now it is in Bihar, it is deletion of votes. That's the kind of fraud that's taking place. And I believe that Rahul Gandhi has done human service to the nation for having placed these facts and had the courage to place these facts before the people of this country. Only a true patriot can do that. To have the courage to, by disclosing such facts, to inform the people of this country. So nobody else has a conscience, only the people of this country have a conscience. To tell them to wake up and to realize what's happening to our democracy and how the Election Commission has become an agent of the government in power. Otherwise, when these facts were disclosed, the Election Commission should have immediately said, we will have a full investigation into this, and we will then place these facts in the public domain. And if there has been manipulation at such a large scale, and this only relates to one constituency, and I'm sure this will be replicated in other constituencies where elections took place,